Hello and welcome to this terrain showcase by Go to Ground Wargaming. In this video, I'll be showing off our fantasy jungle ruin sets, their features, and how to get the most out of your terrain. Our sets are hand built so that no two models are the same. Our fantasy jungle ruins are a prime example of that, from crumbling walls to ancient temples and collapsed pillars. There is plenty of variation to keep your games fresh so that you get your money's worth. We use a mixture of plants when building your terrain, 7 primary ones to be exact, so that your jungle appears varied and chaotic. From spindly bushes to tall reaching flowers and broad tropical flora, we design the jungle so that it clumps in spaces, dissipating towards the edges. The jungle often blocks line of sight, while allowing space for units of models to be placed easily inside the base for area terrain effects. Neither appearance nor practicality are sacrificed with our fantasy jungle ruins. Our terrain sets come in 3 different sizes. The largest set includes enough terrain to comfortably fit on a 6-foot by 4-foot board, depending on how much terrain you like. We personally like quite a lot. It includes 2 large models, 6 medium ruins, and 6 jungle tiles. The largest models are designed to be centerpieces of your gaming table, but not too large that they're cumbersome to transport or store. We are flexible with the design of these models. Upon starting your order, you'll be asked whether there are any specifications that you would like us to consider when creating your terrain. This may be that you would prefer to have some city defense theme, with crumbling parapets and lookout towers, or an ancient alien temple design, such as the one shown above. If no details are given, we'll take liberties to be creative and aim to craft a thematic synergy within your terrain set. Our medium set includes 1 large overgrown ruin, 4 medium-sized ruins, and 4 jungle tiles. This set is designed to occupy a 4-foot by 3-foot board comfortably, or provide a cluster of vibrant jungle terrain to your larger games. Although, we know that some players prefer less terrain on their tables. This set is popular amongst event organisers, as for a budgeted price, you can populate several boards with speciality terrain that's guaranteed to stand out and leave your players wanting to return for more. Our smallest set includes 2 medium ruins and 2 jungle tiles. Detailed terrain at a budgeted price. This set is perfect for skirmish games, or perhaps for roleplay scenarios. Try our smaller sets of terrain before you decide to invest. We're confident that you'll want the whole table. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our other Wargaming content such as terrain showcases and hobby tutorials, and make sure to visit our website for terrain and hobby supplies. Thanks for watching, happy Wargaming and have a nice day.